Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a weekly calendar for social media in Notion. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google, then go to search bar and search for Notion. Once you search for it, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have this Notion button, click on it. If you have already logged in, then you are here on this page. Then here at the left side of the screen, you have many options. Here what you need to do, go to personal home option. Once you go to that option, then here you can see this plus button, tap on it. Then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here at the bottom on the right side, you have these three dots, tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the button of calendar, click on it. Then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. For creating new calendar, here on the right side of the screen, you have this new calendar button. Once you click on it, new calendar is added on your screen. So this is the way you can create a weekly calendar for social media in Notion. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.